How to read messages on Viber seen without. Hello everyone, and today I will tell you how easy it is to read the message without the option viewed in the application Viber. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. The first thing you have to understand is that if the messages you send from below are two purple ticks, the person has looked through your messages and you can see it. If the messages you send from below are lit with two gray ticks, the person has looked or has not looked. This is also taking into account your messages, and you cannot know this. You have a similar situation, so let's start. First, go to the app Viber and see the messages that you sent. You can stay on the home page and quietly pick from it what you have written. There is another option, and it is swipe to the home page of your device and turn off Wi-Fi or the internet, but turn on the air mode, and back in the Viber into the chat and read all the messages. In such cases, the person will not see that you have viewed his message. That's all. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.